Okay, welcome to the next video. I'm here to do a candy review today. Candy and tumble dryer. I'm going to give you a product review, thinking in my opinion of whether you should get one or not. But I'm going to start off with the candy first, do a product review on that. Obviously, I've got a candy. I'm getting rid of it because it's not a reliable appliance. It was good, but then it started on certain like the occasional little start going mad, and also the heating element doesn't really heat up sometimes, so that's a downside. And then I've always got to reset it, but it's just time wasting. Waste of detergent when it does it. It's just not worth it at all. But I will hang on, I'm just trying to get it up on my phone. The positives on this is that it's on the app, Candy Simplify app, so I'll open that for you. I think it's named Simplify, and I'll show you. I hope it'll turn out okay on camera. So that's a Candy Smart Touch app. I'll start this off first, do a review on this and show you. What you do is just click washer. It'll come up with my programs and that. Guided wash. So if you struggle at what to put a wash cycle on, let's just tell you. So these were all the things like symbols and that, just to show you. Yeah, but you get the idea. Staying guide. I don't really use that much because there's not worth it. And also on certain clothes you get the labels, don't you? Like whether it can go in the tumble dryer and all that, not. So these are the main symbols. Yeah, there we go. Don't know if you can see them. I'm pointing at the camera, sort of. Yeah, and then you've got I'll show you the symbols. They're like, and then you've got those others. I'm just gonna see you can. Yeah, and you get more like that. You get the idea. And then that, and then you go down even more. Then you get the symbols of the dry washing, if you know what I mean. Now but you get the idea. Maintenance. Move on to maintenance. Get the filter clean, self-cleaning, keep your appliance in top shape, that's what it says. I couldn't get my words out then. Then you get these extra functions with extra programs rather than on the actual dial. So I actually did a review on that the other day, so you actually know what's upcoming of the videos, so go and check that out, because the other day when I did that vlog, just to update you on everything. So that's the Candy Smart Touch app. What I'm going to do now is tell you about the tumble dryer, which is behind me. It's a Hotpoint Ultima S-Line tumble dryer, of course. You've probably seen them on the channel anyway. I'll put my phone up here. The good side is that I love, there's a bit of random on some, you've got a good variety of wash cycles, drying cycles. And I should try and get a close-up shot. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 programs, but I know they might not see them a lot, but what you do is press that, I think you can see that. If you press number 1 twice, as you can see on the standard cottons, so I'll just move because I can show you, and then I'll move this ball out the way and I'll show you the washing dryer, tumble dryer. Let's move the wing light closer. Don't know if you can see that there. Yeah, so if you use the obviously essentials, exclusives, extra, So number one, standard cottons. So if standard cottons, right, if you press that twice, it'll turn to number shirts. So, and obviously you've got these heat levels as well. Sometimes it says not allowed, sometimes you can change it, sometimes it depends what cycle you use. So number two, bed and bath, anti-allergy. And number three, synthetics and turbo dye. Four, jeans and duvet, wool silk, baby delicate, dark sides, glitters. But what I don't like about this is the sensing feature. So what I tend to do is I always used the time dry, so it will go on for that amount of time, if you know what I mean, so it's not censored. Although on like darks and baby delicate and maybe I think it's bed and bath and anti-allergy, it's not really censored, I don't think, because I've not used it before. And obviously when you obviously if you, I'm known for leaving stuff in the dryer overnight, so if I forget to put it overnight, I just put it on refresh, so it just gets so it just gets a bit of air and tumbles and a bit of creases out and that. And then easy iron, obviously that's a high heat, so yeah, so they're ideal for like bedding and that. So yeah, and then you've obviously got pre-cut, I'm not too sure what that is, post-cut, I think it means like rotates every so often before and after cycles. Obviously a child lock. Child lock doesn't mean the door will have a child lock on it, it means like no kids can play around with the control panel and that. I've never used less fluff. I think that sounds off, on and off, do you know when it goes beep beep. It's a B plus B class rating, 9 kilograms. I'll try and get, yeah, hang on, wait, yeah, that comes out. Obviously you've got your fluff, I don't know if you can see that. You've got the fluff filter there. Trying to not bugger this up. Yeah, so I'm not very good at film making like this. It's just bloody ring light, it's crap. Oh bugger. Watch this drop down now. Stay. There we go. There's gonna be some problems. Could have easily have 2 people. So yeah, I've done the review of the dryer and that. It's an Ultima slime tumble dryer. And I'm gonna move on to I'll just turn that off now. I'm gonna move on to the candy appliance now, and I'll show you that. In fact, I might change my seats around and show you. Just bear with me. Right, I don't know if you can see that. I'm sorry if I've gotten back to you. Just bear with me. Bloody hell. Easy tiger. So obviously, sorry if I've gotten back to you and that. This is right, you've obviously turn it on like it's all plugged in and everything. Obviously, you've got your whites, you've got your cottons plus pre eco mix, cottons, synthetics, Daily 59, Rapid 1430 44, Wins, Germ Plus, Delicates, Jean, Baby Care, Wool, Hand Wash, and Smart Touch, which I already showed you earlier on that. I think it's nice layout, good selections, good variety of programs. You get Wins Plus option, which is that. Which is an extra rinse in higher water level, if you know what I mean. What's that? I think it's called Hygiene Plus or something, which means it'll make the wash a bit longer, and I think it soaks. And then obviously you've got your easy iron and that. When it flashes like that, it means it can't be used. So, and obviously, what am I doing? I know it's not lit up yet, but that's the child lock lit up. That's like the kilogram detector there, like weighing out the laundry, and that's the child lock. Obviously it goes to 90/64 to 30/20, and then obviously it goes from the 1600 spin. I'd recommend you don't use the 1600 spin because it'll just go absolutely mad. Yeah, and obviously they are known for blowing up. I've seen some scary YouTube videos of not just candies, but other washing machine appliances blowing up, and to be honest with you, they are bloody scary, so never use a 1600 spin, especially if I'm sat here. Some people have had bearing, but what do you call them, balls come out and seal and everything. It's mad. It's mad what a washing machine can do if it's not in white. Obviously, it's a good drum. Not a good sized drum, to be honest with you. It is 7 kilograms, but I can't really fit much in it. So I think next time when I get my Beko, I'm going to go for a 10 kilogram one, which is going to be a lot more efficient in that. So I've shown you, and obviously the drawers there and pump and that. So yeah, and obviously that's just, this means stain level, so you can have the wash short, if you know what I mean. Stain level 2, stain level 3, and then I think that's a delay timer, that I think. So, and then obviously your other buttons and that to go with it. So yeah, that's been the review of the Candy and Hotpoint. In fact, I'm going to stop getting my back to you now. This has been the review of the Candy and Hotpoint tumble dry type thing. So I'm not very good. This video's probably been right. I think this video's gone a bit tits up today and everything else. It's not ideal, this utility room, I can tell you that for sure, and my camera's a bit dodgy now, so I'm having to move everywhere. I think that last vlog were a lot better when I had my camera propped up like that. Yeah, so when I was doing the channel update vlog, that was much more easier. And yeah, I've shown you the review and that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, I'd much appreciate it. I'm going to do some more reviews soon, so I'll see you in the next video.